everybody. This is Mr. David. Sorry, I ate pizza today. So yeah, I'm just doing this for science stuff. My mom dared me to, so I have to tell y'all how to make water out of your own urine. Which I want this video to get a couple of subscribers, maybe 120, but I know it will be gross.
Did you stop?
No. Okay.
Here, stop it. We can edit it together.
Hello, everybody. It is I, the one. Actually, no, not the one. It's me, David. And today, I shall be telling you how to make your own water out of urine. Which I know. This would be very, very gross. But, no, see. So, well, first off, scientists do it. An international space station. And, yeah, they make it into clean drinking water. Which, I don't know. I don't want to know how to do. I don't know how to do, and I'm glad I don't know how to do, so.
What kind of astronauts drink their urine?
International Space Station astronauts?
From what country?
Oh, Russia. No, wait, not U.S.?
Who does not drink their own urine on the space station?
Russia. I don't know why. But they actually, NASA actually collects Russia's urine, which is kind of gross and very weird. But yeah, so they make it into clean drinking water, and they process it, which at first it looks like that. It's purple. It looks like squashed up plum juice. So yeah.
People of YouTube, I can't find
after
confirmation
they
of
process
that.
it, what?
I said, people of YouTube, I can't confirm the plum urine.
I think it might be like old, like 2 or 3 days old, which is really gross. After they process it, it looks like regular water, like just normal water. Also, you need 2 liters of water to live, or pee, which I'm never gonna drink pee. Ding!
What does the army think about drinking pee?
Oh, the army, they do not like it. They think it's like bad for you. Actually, I don't know if you heard of this guy. His name is Bemrich-Stolz. He really drinks his pee. He'd probably fry his own poop. Which, yeah, is really gross. He just does anything to survive, really.
Do you think fried poop is better than fresh poop?
Heck nah! It'll be more mushier. I bet you Bear Grylls would get his own pee, put it into a vodka or a champagne glass, and then put his poop on a silver platter and then eat it. What else? Oh yeah, this, and then this is basically what it looks like after, or processed. It looks, also just know, I'm not going to show you or I'm not going to draw any other things or give you any information about the middle of the process. I've never seen it. On the video that I watched to do this, I did not see it. I forgot what it looks like throughout the thing, and it probably looks weird, so yeah, I'm not going to tell you. But, thank you for watching. Mr. David, out.